This video will help you pair your Medic Coach device with the Revitive smartphone app and get you started. This information and more is available in the user's manual. Please always read the user's manual before use. You can also access the manual at any time via the app. Pairing the smartphone app with your device unlocks many benefits. For example, the app allows you to control the device, select different therapy programs, create new therapy plans, track your therapy plan progress, and much more. Before starting, please make sure your device is fully charged or plug into an electrical socket. First step is to turn your phone's Bluetooth on in order to pair your device with your phone. On your phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and turn on Bluetooth. Download the Revitive app from the App Store or Google Play and create a new user account in the app. It's essential you are able to access your email account from your phone, as a verification link will be emailed and needs to be activated to complete registration. The Bluetooth connection wizard screen will automatically appear in the app. Simply follow the on-screen instructions. You will be prompted to press and hold the power button on your Medic Coach until the Bluetooth icon appears and starts flashing. This puts your device in discovery mode. Next, press the pair button at the bottom of the app's connection wizard screen. After several seconds, the app will find your device and a Bluetooth pairing request will appear. Accept the pairing request in the app to complete the pairing process. You will know your phone is successfully paired when the Bluetooth icon on your device displays continuously and you are able to access the app controller screen. If the Bluetooth icon does not display, it means your phone and device are not connected. If you require further assistance, please refer to the troubleshooting section of the user manual. Now that your device is paired successfully to your phone, each time you open the app, the dashboard screen will appear. This is your home screen, from where you can access all of the app's features. Tap the controller button to access the controller screen. The first time you see your device after pairing with the app, it will default to a 10-minute assessment program session. This is intended to help familiarize you with the device and app before officially starting your 10-week therapy plan. Place bare feet on each foot pad and sit so your legs make a right angle bend at the knee. To start the stimulation, press the play button. Then continue to increase the intensity button until you feel a very strong leg muscle contraction and the device starts to rock. The maximum intensity is 99, and most people use their Revitive on at least 40. The Smart Intensity Finder helps guide you to the right intensity level. Sensors in your device detect when you start rocking. This is also a good indication that you have achieved a good level of leg muscle stimulation. With the rocking, the intensity arc will change from orange to green. Your goal is to always have the arc display green during each session. As you can see, pairing your Medic Coach with your smartphone and getting started is effortless. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.